Yo, what's up, Frankie gang? Y'all know what it is, man. Got Q, got a Q, and another Q, and another Q. Y'all haven't seen Eddie in forever. Say what's up, Eddie.
What's up?
What's up, what's up? Y'all know who this guy is.
What's up, guys?
Man, I gotta show you guys this, though. Look at this. This thing is about to put down some serious numbers this week. I can't wait. This looks pretty sick, too. I'm not gonna lie. But, as you guys can see, we are at Mike's location. You guys have seen him before. I clickbaited you guys with his Q60. But look at Pearl, not Pearl. What do you call it? Ruby, right? Ruby. All right, guys. So you guys know what Pearl looks like. I'll drop a picture in the video. But Pearl or this one?
Yeah, leave a comment. But these are Brian's wheels, so
These are Brian's wheels. True.
We'll get a picture. I have a picture, and I'll have him put it up of what it looks like with my wheels and a picture of Pearl, and leave in the comments which car looks better.
Yeah, I'm going Ruby. Brian said Ruby. What do you think? Ruby or Pearl?
Which looks better with my wheels and the hood and everything?
Alright, gang, so the reason we are up here, so I'm having issues with my baby once again. Y'all know how this race car life goes. So what it's doing is when I'm weight under throttle, so for those who don't know, because I didn't know when I first heard that, when the pedal's completely to the floor, and specifically third and fourth gear, it's not building any boost. I won't say any boost, it builds like 5 pounds of boost, but then it stops. It doesn't build any more, it doesn't build any less. The tuners over at RACEBOX, and my guy Hussein, Alex, you guys know who that are. They were saying once they looked at the logs that for some reason the throttle is like partially closing when I do that. So we don't know if it's like a throttle position sensor issue, throttle body issue. I have no idea. So obviously, naturally brought it up to my dog Mike's shop. So he's going to take her apart or do logs. I don't exactly know what he's going to do, but he's going to try and get it figured out for me. What we're also going to try to do is to switch out the basket and the low pressure fuel pump so that I don't have fuel cuts at half a tank. So we're going to get that knocked out. And also too, if we can get it all done in the weekend, depending on what RACEBOX has going on, we're going to throw on these babies that I told you guys I was going to put on forever ago. So I'm going to put on my Bonnie and Clyde intakes this weekend, possibly, maybe. So you guys might see that in the next video, you might not, but who really knows. But yeah, so that's why I'm up here trying to get the baby situated. I don't know what's going on with her, but daily driving, she's fine, still getting looks, still breaking necks. So yeah, dropping her off. Thumbnail boys. Sheesh. You guys have seen this Q60 before. It's like my twin, but this one has more of a drag setup. He's on the raise because he's rich guy right here. But his fitment is clean. His fitment is stupid clean. That's like perfect. So that's honestly like kind of how I am on my car. But he's running 285 35s on 19s though, plus 15 in the rear. So for any of you who are wondering, you could run 285 35 19 plus 15, right? And
with the spacer, it makes it.
With the spacer, yeah. So with the spacer, it's plus 15, and that would be perfect fitment in the back, and it clears big brake kit. So if y'all were wondering, ooh, blue tip boys, did you have that last time I saw it?
Yeah, I had that on there.
Sheesh.
The only thing new since you've seen it is the lip and the diffuser.
Okay, for sure. Oh, I gotta show you guys. Make sure you hit him on the Instagram. Gotta show you guys his lip though. So it's like OEM style. Obviously, it doesn't come with a lip, but it looks like OEM style. It's kind of clean. Versus like you see on mine. So like, look at his end. Right? There's no fins, but on mine there are fins. So I would say honestly, like, it's honestly comes down to preference. I would say like if you were trying to get, low numbers, like a 10-second car, you probably want to run that lip because it is a little bit more aerodynamic, but it's all about preference. Guys, look
actually missing a chunk.
Look at these gaskets.
Yeah, like, and it's not even like you can't even reconstruct it.
Yeah.
So it blew it out and split it in half. The fuck?
See, Eddie, stop shooting flames, dude. What are you doing?
He's doing it for the gram.
Bro, this looks way better than Pearl. That's sexy. This looks good on you, Max. Just saying. Yeah, that shit's clean, dog.
Good there, Max.
Yeah. Shoot flames.
Hey, bro.
You guys remember this guy, right? First guy on the dyno. Finally getting his car fixed. Sloth, I love when you're like this.
Yeah.
We got the whole gang here. But y'all don't care about these people. Look at this.
Hey, start your cars. How are we going to do something like that?
Sheesh. Sheesh, look at this gang. This looks nutty, Mike. This is crazy. Hey, if you don't have the nastiest fucking slate Q50 I've ever seen, bro. Oh my. Oh my. Please don't kill yourself. Oh god. Big brake kit for the win. Look at this. Yo, so how long ago did you drop that in there?
Bro, this is... We're talking months. We're talking months before. Look, there's rust on this shit.
It is rusted. Dude, that's insane. It stayed in there. You didn't hear it. Look how rusty that is. You didn't hear it moving around or nothing?
Bro, you
That's
know how long it's been
crazy.
in there?
What else is down there? Gold treasure? Alright, gang. So jumping right back into this vlog. So since the last time I picked y'all up, at least regarding this story, this was Friday. Today is Tuesday. So it's been like 4 or 5 days. I'm not good with counting off like counting. But anyways, going to pick up my car. So one of the issues, so I had 2 issues with the car, gang. So one issue was that it started up really rough. And like we didn't understand why. So I thought it was because of the E85. You know, E85 and cold starts was bad. But it come to find out it wasn't just E85. It was starting up rough on 93 as well. So we fixed that issue. The second issue I did tell y'all about, and it was like when I'm in like 3rd and 4th gear, at least I thought, the car was not accelerating. So it was like super sluggish. Kind of felt like it was in limp mode. Well, come to find out, it was every gear. So when I would go weight on the throttle, so that means I'm just pushing the pedal all the way down, the car would just, you know, go up like this. I had to do the sound effect. So we thought we fixed the issue, which we did. And then he test drove the car again and it came back. So it seems to be intermittent. So now the only thing we're gonna check is the fuel filter. We're gonna change out the filter sock and the low pressure fuel pump. I hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, don't crucify me in the comments. We're gonna change those out next. But today I'm picking up the car because I do need my car. My dog David been driving me all week, been my chauffeur. Say what's up, bro.
What up, what up?
That's who edited the meet for me that I couldn't make it to, that y'all saw. It was probably 4 videos ago at this point. But yeah, so he definitely been driving me around, so I appreciate you. Appreciate that, bro. We're about to go in here and see what's up with Mike and pick up my car. What's up, guys?
Not much. So
Max doing Max shit? Oh, you're working. I'm not gonna bother you, my bad. What's up, Slaw?
Hold on.
Dang, you gonna fix this one? I thought he was gonna do it himself.
Bro, this thing's about to gap the keys.
It's definitely gonna gap mine. It don't work. Really good. Yeah. Sheesh. All right, gang. So this is Slaw. Y'all met Sloth before. He was the guy on Tune Day who took me out in that thing over there. You want to get it for him? In the G35 over there, the coupe. The game plan is Mike is actually going to take me out to learn how to first drive manual because I don't know how to. And secondly, he's going to teach me how to drift it. So this is what I'm going to learn how to drift in. So y'all stay tuned for this content, man. It's definitely going to be crazy because I ain't never drove a manual in my life. So we're going to see if I can do it. But if I can drive this, and then I end up buying this right here, the channel going crazy. All right, go ahead. This dude is a freaking menace to society, bro. Bro. Bro, that's them PFM pops.
Hell yeah.
That's just nasty.
You can move the seat back.
All right, guys. So last time I was in the car with Slaw, he damn near threw me into a curb, but it's okay. Are the downpipes on? The fulls?
Oh no.
Oh, not yet. Okay.
We were just tuning my car that
This shit is fire, bro.
Oh, he's right there.
Yeah. Hey, so we just said bye to David. We drove around the block and we just caught up to him. All right, let's launch it.
Do it right here. We're just going straight across the intersection. Just gonna be Spin City, but it'll tell us right away. I'll pull out a little bit more just so I can see.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, it works.
We just definitely ate the inside of my liner though in the
Yeah,
back.
a little bit, yeah.
But it's okay. Hell yeah.